Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with brandtheboss.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the ClickFunnels discount. Now, I know there are a lot of people that when they first see ClickFunnels and they look at the price options, they're just like, damn, that's a lot of money. And I know you have $97 a month or $297 a month, and it is a lot. It is a lot, but there's a reason behind those prices, and I definitely believe that they are worth those prices. But as of right now, it is January of 2019, there is still a ClickFunnels discount that I want to go ahead and show you that you can actually get. I know that ClickFunnels as a recent has been, I think they're trying to move away from that, but as far as right now, or at least the recording of this video, is still available. So I want you to go ahead and try this out and see if you can get it at that discount of $19 a month. Now, it'll only be a shared account, which means a very, very limited account, but still it's $19 a month. So let's go ahead and jump into this real quick. All right. Okay, here we are inside of my ClickFunnels account right now. And so what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to provide a share link for my marketing resources. All right. And so I'm going to actually show you what it is that you need to do from here. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this link and share this funnel. All right, right here in front of me is this share this funnel URL. I will have this link in the description under this video. And basically, all that you're going to actually do is, when you click the link, what's going to happen is this. You're going to click that, boom. It's going to take you up to this screen right here. Let's move me out the way. It'll take you to this screen right here, okay, where it's going to ask you to put in your email address and to choose your password. This is where you're going to start your 14-day trial, okay? And you can see right here, this is the link that I actually, or the funnel that I shared with you. It is my resources page where you can take it and turn it into your own resource page. And so after, what's going to happen is this. Once you enter this information and you click this green button, it's going to send you to a step 2, which traditionally will give you 3 options. It'll give you a $19 a month option, a $97 a month option, and a $297 a month option. And you would choose the $19 a month option to have after your 14-day trial is up. You would choose that, and then you will begin. You'll enter, your more information. You'll actually set up your account and things like that, and then your free trial will begin. And then afterwards, you will have ClickFunnels for $19 a month. It only being a shared funnel, okay, which is extremely limited, okay, extremely limited. I don't even know. I think you only allow 3 share funnels that you can use at a time for your account. But if you're only going to be using ClickFunnels for like one sole purpose and it's very minimal, then that can work out for you. Outside of that, I would just say you're better off just using the $97 a month plan. Now, there has been talk and different things that have come across that people are saying that they're no longer seeing the $19 a month option. Okay, so if you should go to that second page and it only leaves you with 2 options, $97 and $297, just get the cheapest one of the 2, okay, and start your 2-week trial. And then what you're gonna do is about a few days before your trial actually ends, contact support and tell them, hey, I really like ClickFunnels. But I would like to continue on after my free trial with the $19 a month share trial, and they should hook it up for you, okay? And if for some strange reason that option isn't there, then that means ClickFunnels has finally phased out that whole $19 a month option, period. They've been doing a lot of changes and updates, so it can definitely be a possibility that they are removing that option out. But there are people that are saying that it is still available, but you have to really seek it out. So I will try that. If it doesn't work for you, then you know, then I'm sorry. Then you're just left with the 97 or 297. But if it does, then comment below. Let people know what the deal is and how it's worked out for you. Okay. Other than that, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and be on the lookout for the next one. All right. Take care.